Number 1, the models below represent 4 different decimal numbers. Which list shows these decimal numbers in order from greatest to least? Number 2, Vicki wrote the following number. How is this number represented in standard notation? Okay, and I'm going to write out, let's see. Make sure you do your place value. Okay, so you've got your decimal. Make sure you have hundredths and tenths, ones, tens, and hundreds. Okay. All right, Miss Anderson's going to write it for you real quick. So you've got tenths, hundredths, ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, number 3. Write the following number in standard notation. 4 and 7 hundredths. 4 and 7 hundredths. And number 4. How is the following number represented in written notation? A, 934,000,2060. B, 934,000,2016. C, 934,000,2006. D, 934,000,2060.